Oh, it's recording, sorry.
Oh, you still recording?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Lisa.
Cool.
Logan, say oi Brazil.
Brazil. Oi.
I want to get a big one.
Mama, Mimi won't let me have the shovel.
Hey, look. Oh.
Oi.
Here, give that to Logan. Logan, you want to use that to shovel with?
What shovel? Yeah?
I can't believe Daddy left that out in the grill.
He left it out last time.
That's an expensive.
You want it?
You can let her
Sure.
scoop snow with it. Careful now, the sides of it are sharp, okay?
Oh, there's more stuff.
Oh yeah.
Look at that boy.
Hey, look. Listen. Oh, you can get it now. It's not
Yeah.
frozen.
Josie, don't do that. You almost hit Logan. Y'all need somebody that knows how to make a snowman to help y'all.
Come on. I can make it so, man. But
My hands get so cold. I don't have any gloves.
You can use mine. They're wet, though.
Yeah.
And I'm freezing.
Yeah.
But come on, let's